Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how to fix the YouTube lagging on PC. It's a pretty quick and easy method, so I hope you follow all the steps and do not skip the video. So without waste your time, let's get started. First, you see my YouTube. Now you can see my YouTube is currently working very smoothly. So how you can use a YouTube very smoothly? So it's a pretty quick and easy method. The first step, you go to your extensions, then click the manage extensions and see if you enable any ad blocker, then please remove the ad blocker. After removing the ad blocker, your YouTube must be played very smoothly. So it's mean do not install any ad blocker on your Google extensions. So I hope you follow all the steps. So after that, removing the ad blockers on your Google Chromes, your YouTube must be playing very smoothly. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.